Alright, welcome back to another sound test, and we now have the T2 Plus in the lab. So we're gonna compare it to the other brother T3, one of our popular ones, one of our top 5s in the channel. So both of them are around $50, so really interesting price for a TinHIFI. And the TinHIFI, as I mentioned in my unboxing, links up in the upper right corner, is a bit more different compared to the T3, but you're gonna find it in the sound test. But of course, first I just want to announce that I am launching my music in July 24th. I have a new YouTube channel, IMZ Music. Check it out there. I'm gonna launch it in a premiere with a music video and with an EP, so make sure you're subscribed there. And let's start the sound test now.
To say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm yours.